In this video, we will discuss Unified Carrier Registration, UCR. Now that we have discussed the fundamentals of IRP and IFTA, as well as the process you would go through if you are a new carrier or an interstate carrier opting into quarterly installment payments, let's talk about Unified Carrier Registration. Unified Carrier Registration, or UCR, is a revenue program. It is essentially a tax for all motor carriers whose US DOT numbers are designated for interstate commerce. Even if your vehicles do not leave the state, you may still be subject to UCR if your operations are designated as being for interstate commerce. Remember, interstate commerce is trade, traffic, or transportation that crosses state borders. It even includes goods that travel outside of the state, even when your vehicle does not. For example, if you pick up cargo in Greenville and deliver it to the port of Charleston, from which it will then travel to New York City via boat, then the cargo you hauled is technically considered interstate, so UCR would apply to you. Carriers that are based in Canada or Mexico and operate in the United States are also subject to UCR. The states in blue on the map you see are participating states in the UCR agreement. While not all the states participate in UCR, all interstate motor carriers are subject to the UCR agreement, even if they are registered under IRP in a non-participating state. South Carolina, however, is a participating state. There are certain exemptions from UCR, including interstate school buses, emergency vehicles such as fire trucks or ambulances, and any vehicle under 10,000 pounds, including trailer equipment. Fees that you pay to UCR will depend on how many vehicles you own or operate. For example, if you have 2 vehicles or fewer, your fee would be $46, but as you increase the number of vehicles in your fleet, the fees for your fleet increase as well. Even if you were unaware that you needed to pay UCR, there is a national registration system that automatically notifies all carriers who are required to register. Every year, there is a window during which you should pay UCR fees, October 1st through December 31st, the same as the window for renewing your IFTA license. In order to register, go to ucr.gov. If you have any questions about UCR, please reach the SCDMV's Motor Carrier Information Center at 803-896-3870. Thank you for watching. For more information or other questions, please reach the SCDMV Motor Carrier Information Center at 803-896-3870.